Do you want to learn how to hide locked chats in WhatsApp? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So let's get to it. So on WhatsApp mobile, you need to find the chat that you want to lock. For example, this one. I'm going to long press it. Even on iPhone, you need to long press it. And then on the bottom, you'll see a drop down. In it, you need to select lock chat. But for Android, you need to click here on the top right, these three dots, and then select lock chat. Then it's going to say keep this chat locked and hidden. Let's click continue. Then you need to use your Face ID or you need to use your fingerprint or something in order to lock the chat. This chat is now locked. So let's click on OK and scroll up. You'll see lock chats here. Now we are going to go inside the lock chats, and on the top right, you'll find these three dots. Click on it and then click on chat lock settings. In chat lock settings, you'll see hide lock chats. Click on this. Then you need to create a secret code. You can create with emojis as well, but you can also type text. Like I can enter these two for secret code and then press on next. And you need to type the secret code again. Click on done. That's it. Now you'll get this message. Lock chats are hidden. And now you no longer see that lock chats option on top. If you want to get it back, you just click here on the top and search, and then you type that secret code. So in my case, I've got these two. There you go. And on the top, you'll see lock chats. You can click on it and you'll see your chat that you locked. And that's it. That's how to hide locked chats in WhatsApp. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more WhatsApp related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.